Indian Medical Association to revoke the membership of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kar Hospital. This is the request, that the demand really from the medical body. Why can't his membership be revoked is the question that FEMA is asking of the Indian Medical Association. Milan Sharma getting in more details on that story. Milan, essentially the doctor's body building pressure on the IMA that this is the least that you can do. At least revoke his membership. FEMA, which is a doctor's body, has now written to the Indian Medical Association saying that the doctor's membership, which is Dr. Sandeep Ghosh's membership to the Indian Medical Association, should be revoked. And he should not be a part of the Indian Medical Association. The FEMA, which is a non-political body, has approached the Indian Medical Association saying that he should not be continuing as a doctor, and that's why his membership from the Indian Medical Association should be revoked. There's pressure now growing on the IMA, essentially, which is the Indian Medical Association, on doing away with the membership of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, who's the former principal of RG Kar and who's now being investigated for his role in connection with the rape and murder of the 31-year-old trainee doctor, and not just that, various other irregularities, including financial irregularities, that's being looked at. FEMA has, in fact, written to the Indian Medical Association. I'm going to go straight across to Milan, who's got more on that story. Milan, the pressure now building on the IMA. Essentially, this is not the first time that they've been told the least you can do is revoke his membership. Now, further pressure from the FEMA, essentially, here.
Certainly, Sneha, if you can hear me clearly,
yes.
This is the request that has been put forward to the Indian Medical Association, not just from FEMA, but various other quarters of Doctors Association. Because the question is, how can you let Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, who's actually standing trial in the entire horrible crime that has taken place in RG Kar, a principal who is under investigation from various quarters, and the anger, palpable anger in the doctors, as you have experienced in your own report, to suggest that he should still be part of a reputed doctors organization like the IMA. That was itself, going to the health minister and saying that more action should be taken for protection of doctors as well as protection of female doctors on duty, which is
Milan Sharma.
Law and order and
Okay, Milan Sharma getting in those details as far as the medical body now seeking a crackdown on Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. FEMA writing to the Indian Medical Association asking them to take action against Dr. Sandeep Ghosh and revoke his membership.